Hey everyone, I'm Cassie with Surprise Let's Play, and today we're actually going to be opening this big box of blind boxes that I bought from kikagoods, and we're just going to get through it, and I hope you like it. Okay, so let's start with the first one. I've been so excited to open one of these. So, get it out. I want to see what we got. This is so cute. I think they're spraying perfume. So cute. Okay, next. Bonnie. So cute. I think I got the one I wanted. She has also got hearts for her eyebrows, and I think that is so cute. And these auburn eyes. Cute little bunny teeth. I love those. So let's get her dressed. She is so cute. I can't even. I'm just trying to pose her in different poses because I think she's so cute. I love this outfit so much. The little bones with the pink. Her shoes were a little hard to get on her. They're still kind of hard to get on her. But I don't want her foot to pop off, so. Alright, well, I was talking about her foot, not her head, but I didn't want her head to pop off either. That was funny. Out of nowhere. Oh, before we do that, we got a little bag that goes with her. So cute. It's just a little bunny. I think we should do this one. Little Monster. I don't know how to pronounce this. If you do, comment below so that I know in the future. I think it's like Pikiki. I don't know. But these are the ones we can get: Warrior Sheep, Sluggish Raccoon, Enchanting Fox, Slightly Unicorn, or Saintly Unicorn, Midnight Bunny, Lovable Bear, Lost Angel, Gritty Panda, and The Secret. So I hope we can get Midnight Bunny and Enchanting Fox. I think that's really cute. And then Gritty Panda and Lovable Bear. Unicorn too. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think we got the one I wanted. Yay! So Midnight Bunny. I wanted her from the beginning. She's on the front of the box too, so she's so cute. She's got a little bunny with her. Okay, let's open her up. So cute. Get this bit of plastic off her neck. Whoa. So cute. I think there's something in the... Oh, her stand says Pie Market. Her little foot goes in there. So cute. I love her. Look how cute she is. Okay. And then let's take out her card. So this is Spice Up Your Life. Da, 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 da. Unlock happiness. So you get some type of, I think you rate them. I don't know how to read this. But Pikiki, or I'm not sure how to pronounce this. If you do, like I said, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. But we got Midnight Bunny, and she is absolutely adorable. I'm super excited we got her. Okay, next I think we'll open this little one right here. Anita's Shining Star. So cute. And these are the characters we can get. They don't say in English who they are, but I really hope we get either The Secret or this girl. I really want this girl. This girl's cute too. And the princess. So let's see who we got. One, two, three. Oh, yay! We got the one I wanted. So excited. Can't even hide it. No, really, I wanted her so bad. I saw her as the option to get online, and I was like, I have to have her. She's so cute. I hope I get her, and I did. So, really excited to have her to my collection. And then she comes with this stand. And her cards. It says who she is. She's so cute. Absolutely adorable. I love her. Okay, on to the next. Okay, let's see. Let's open this kitty cat. No, let's open this Emma. No, the kitty cat. Emma. Any kind of kitty cat. Emma. Okay, let's just open the kitty cat. So these are the kitties we can get. I wanted the pink kitty. The plain kitty would be cool. This kitty looks like my kitty. So does this one, kind of, except for he doesn't have a mustache. But I want the pink kitty really bad. But any kitty will do because I love me some kitties. One, two, three. And it looks like the one that we got looks like my kitty Weasel. So this is really cute, except for he's not black, he's gray, but it's still really cute. So this is the one we got. He's so cute. Look at his little bow tie. I love him. I love cats. They're the best. Seriously, cats are my favorite. I have nothing against dogs. I like dogs, but I am definitely a cat person through and through. Okay, let's now open this Emma's wedding. And we can get the bridegroom wolf, bride rabbit, bridegroom sheep, bride cat. Ooh, that's cute. I like the bunny. Bridegroom unicorn, bride lop, and then Cupid and Eros, which are the two secrets. So let's see who we get. One, two, three. Oh, we got the kitty. Oh, sorry, I can't even speak right now. I love that we got her. I love cats, every kind of cat. I just want to hug all of them, but I can't. Actually, I could if I tried. No, I couldn't. But still, I love all cats. And this is a cute little kitty to add to our collection today. And I absolutely love her. So cute. Let's see if she has a card. She does. Ooh, this is a really pretty looking card. It says Bride Cat. Emma's wedding. And this little thing with the QR code on it. Pretty. All right, we have two left. Should we open the big one or the smaller one? Let's open this big one. So Kiki Fantastic Zoo. These are who we can get. This Kiki, oh, their all name is Kiki. The pig one is cute. I like the tiger. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a dinosaur. I was gonna say a narwhal, but it has teeth. Okay, here's a kitty. A little fox. So from this side, I want to get the kitty, and then from this side, I want to get the tiger. Okay, let's see. So we got. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Who did we get? It looks really cute and it's so soft. And it has some butter up here. So it looks like we got this kitty, which I think is a mouse because there's some cheese. So I think we got a little mouse. Oh, this is so soft. So cute. And this one also comes with a card. Okay, and last but not least, this Nagi 13. Just kidding, that's not what it is. But this Nagi something If you know what this is, please let me know in the comments below. I've never opened one of these before. Oh, let's see who we want out of this collection first. Ooh, I wouldn't mind any of them. This sleeping girl looks really cute though. Or this one with pink hair. Alright, let's see who we get. Oh, this one's cute. So we got this one with red hair. And here is the card. Aww. And let's get them dressed. They are a little BJD doll. So they are strung. It's a little floppy. Oh, this scared me. I thought I ripped the head all the way off, but I guess the head is a peg and not a string and hook. So this is really cute. I love her expression. I said that weird. But yeah, and then they come with extra hands, which these ones are pointing 2 fingers and these ones are pointing 1 finger. So one looks like this and one looks like this. And then these cute little shoes. That's an absolute adorable detail. And again, this is who we got. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment below and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.